Creating sophisticated software for your machine vision cameras is time-consuming, but it really doesn't need to be. Our advanced and versatile software tools do the heavy lifting for you. With Zebra AuroraVision Studio, your dev team has over 3,000 ready-made filters to select from, all of which can easily be added into your program using a simple drag and drop. Finding the best algorithm is easy too, with tools and data previews supporting parameters set in real time. When you're happy with the algorithm, you can easily map the layout for your apps. And, without any coding, you can also create customized, graphical, and intuitive human-machine interfaces. Interfaces that make life easier for your teams overseeing quality checks. When everything's set, the program is exported into a runtime executable file and sent over your network to the computers controlling cameras. But we get it. Some developers prefer to build in programming languages. We've got that covered too. With Zebra AuroraVision Library, imaging apps and user interfaces can be created from scratch. The library has over 3,000 functions for image analysis apps, from basic barcode capture to remote camera calibration and 3D measurement. Using our AuroraVision Studio and library together, you can quickly prototype machine vision apps and swiftly convert them to programming language. And taking things further, because some defects are just too hard to spot using traditional machine vision, with Zebra Aurora deep learning software, we can enable problem solving in ways that could not be achieved before. From warehouses to mass production across food, automotive, printing, pharma, and beverages, machine vision technology saves you a huge amount of time in quality checks. Our solutions are here to similarly ensure that programming, monitoring, and controlling your network of cameras is simple, quick, and cost-effective too.